everyone, welcome to Stay Fit. In this video, we are going to see what are the pranayama yoga for getting a beautiful glowing skin. Of course, everyone wants beautiful glowing skin. It has been proven that yoga has positive effects on the skin. While many asanas help to clear out the skin and impart a natural warm glow, pranayama works on the respiratory system and removes any energy blocks. It helps to purify the blood and increases the oxygen supply, which leads to a great skin. So now let's get into the video. The yoga is Kapalbhati. Kapala is a Sanskrit word that means skull and Bhati means light. So this exercise is known to regenerate, refresh and purify your mind and body. It also cleanses the lungs and the respiratory tract. It boosts the oxygen in the skin cells, thereby purifying the blood. It improves the digestion process. It increases the heat and energizes the body. It allows you to focus. Now let us see how to do this yoga. You must remember to inhale passively and exhale forcefully when you start this practice. So start slowly and then gradually increase your speed. The first step is sit up straight with your legs crossed. Place your hands on your lower belly. Take a deep breath to cleanse your system. Inhale through your nose and exhale from your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose such that your belly is about 3/4 full of the air. In a quick motion, forcefully exhale all the air, drawing your navel upwards. Remember, the main movement must be from the diaphragm. Allow the lungs to fill up without any effort as belly expands. Allow this 10 times a day, then slowly breathe normally as you absorb all the sensation in your body. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times a day. For the best results, it is best to avoid practicing this pranayama if you are pregnant or if you have any gastric problems, high blood pressure, heart diseases and abdominal diseases. So I hope you find this video very useful. Thanks for watching. Just hit the like button if you really like this video and share this video to your friends and family. Stay fit, stay healthy.